Tired of complex photo editing software? I'm going to show you how to edit photos like a pro using just Krea AI in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Krea AI and click on Realtime Gen. This is where the magic happens. Now, upload the image you want to edit by clicking Choose Image and selecting it from your files. See this text box? This is where you write your prompt. Be descriptive. For example, try improve image quality, enhance details, vibrant colors. Hit enter and watch Krea AI work its magic. It's analyzing your image and applying the changes you requested based on your prompt. Use this slider to compare the original image with the edited version. Notice the incredible difference. This is just the beginning. Now, let's get creative. Change the prompt to something like add a cinematic look, soft lighting, bokeh effect for a completely different style. Krea AI instantly generates a new version based on your new prompt. Experiment with different prompts to achieve your desired result. Once you're happy with the result, simply click the download icon to save your professionally edited image. And that's it. Unleash your creativity with Krea AI's powerful photo editing capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials.